Right guys, there is a nice little opportunity here on a space for a short. So I've entered around 30 areas guys, 30 O2s. Clearly that's a stop area guys, if you really want to be a bit safe on this. That's the stop area. But then again, I will say this again, if you can afford to keep it just above the VWAP, it's slightly safer and better management there. There we go, space, come on, let's go. I've added a little bit here guys. Let me see, where did I add? The 2975s. 2975. So add area 2975s. I want this load to get taken out. Lovely, it's taking out now. Now what I can do is guys, put the stop here guys, just over 2988. Yes, about to take some out. Okay, I'm ready to take some out. 2953s, 54s. I'll take 54s. Yep. Alright, I'll take some out. 54s, guys. That's where I took some out. Second partial on 2927s. This is turning out to be a really good trade, guys. Right now, guys, this stop goes just over 2970s. Come on, come on, give us 2909s, 08s, okay, 07s, 02s. There you go. I'm gonna take 02s. Doesn't matter. 03s, I'll take 03s. Alright, I'm all out, guys. 2903s, really nice. So that's what it looks like, guys. That's the trade of the day. That's all I need. One trade, one winner. A really good grain day. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the stream. If you have any questions, post in the comments in the video, guys, and join me in the live room. That's where the real action happens, guys. I'll see you in the live room. Take it easy. Stay safe out there.